Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade raspberry sorbet. First, gather your fresh raspberries and other simple ingredients. You'll then prepare a quick simple syrup to sweeten the mixture. After blending, it's crucial to chill the base thoroughly before churning. Finally, we'll churn it to a perfect consistency and freeze for serving. To begin, you'll need about 2 cups of fresh, ripe raspberries. For the simple syrup, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this gently over medium heat, stirring until all the sugar completely dissolves. Once clear, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down to room temperature before proceeding. Next, combine your cooled simple syrup, fresh raspberries, and a squeeze of lemon juice in a blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth and uniform. For a truly silky sorbet, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds. Then, refrigerate the sorbet base for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, ensuring it's very cold. Once your sorbet base is thoroughly chilled, pour it into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for 20 to 25 minutes. It should reach a soft serve consistency. Transfer the freshly churned sorbet into an airtight container and freeze it for at least 2 more hours to firm up before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.